In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate a video in DaVinci Resolve. If you have a clip that was recorded sideways, slightly tilted, or just needs a quick adjustment to look right on screen, DaVinci Resolve makes the process very simple. You only need to work with a single setting, and once you know where to find it, rotating a video takes just a few seconds. To begin, go to your video clip in the timeline and click on it so it's selected. This is important because DaVinci Resolve needs to know exactly which clip you want to edit. When the clip is selected, any adjustments you make will apply to that specific piece of video. Next, move to the top right area of the interface and click on Inspector. If the Inspector panel is not already open, this button will display it for you. The Inspector is where you can control many of the visual properties of your clip, including position, zoom, and of course rotation. Once the inspector is open, look for the Transform section. Inside that section, find Rotation Angle. This is the control that lets you turn your video clockwise or counterclockwise. To rotate the clip, click and drag the rotation angle value left or right. Dragging in one direction will rotate the video one way, and dragging in the other direction will rotate it the opposite way. As you drag, you'll see the result update in the viewer right away, which makes it easy to stop when the angle looks correct. This is especially helpful if your shot is only slightly crooked and you want to level it out by eye. If your video was captured vertically or upside down, you can keep dragging until it reaches the orientation you need. That's it. Once you adjust the rotation angle, your clip is rotated. One quick tip to keep in mind is that rotating a clip can sometimes reveal empty edges or black corners around the frame, depending on how far you turn it. If that happens, you may need to make additional framing adjustments later, but for basic rotation, this setting is exactly what you need. So anytime you need to fix the orientation of a clip in DaVinci Resolve, just select the clip, open Inspector, find Rotation Angle under Transform, and drag left or right until it looks right. It's a fast and easy way to clean up your footage and make sure everything appears properly aligned on screen.